Hello guys, welcome to this new video on machine learning and AI. In this video, we are going to see the capabilities of the new OpenAI model called as DALL E3. So previously, the version of DALL-E was DALL-E 2, and if you must be aware that it took some text from the users and tried to create images out of it. But this is the more advanced version of DALL-E, and so what they claim is that DALL-E understands significantly more nuance and detail than our previous system, allowing you to easily translate your ideas into exceptional accurate images. So these are some of the images that are generated from the text that you provide to DALL-E. Currently, the availability of DALL-E is only to ChatGPT Plus users and enterprise users, and it will be available via an API and in labs later this fall. That is what their website says. Moreover, what they say is that modern text to image systems have a tendency to ignore words or description, forcing users to learn prompt engineering. DALL-E 3 represents a leap forward in our ability to generate images that exactly adhere to the text you provide. So basically, I think they are trying to use ChatGPT as a layer before passing it to DALL-E, so that whatever prompt the user gives, that is converted to more significant prompts, and that prompt will be passed to DALL-E. So you see that this is an perfectly created image of a young woman with fairy red dressed signature velvet cloak is haggling with grumpy old vendor, and see the image quality. Like this is awesome. Even with the same prompts, DALL-E delivers significant improvements over DALL-E 2. So I think this is the one which was created from DALL-E 2, and this is the one that was created from DALL-E 3. And you see that DALL-E 3 images, like, they are far better. Okay, they also say that DALL-E is built natively on ChatGPT, which lets you use ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner and refiner to your prompts. Just ask ChatGPT what you want to see in anything from a simple sentence to a detailed paragraph. So enough of the talk. So these are some more examples of DALL-E. What is the prompt here? My 5-year-old keeps talking about a super duper sunflower hedgehog. What does it look like? DALL-E is not available freely for the users, but there is one thing that you can do to use the capabilities of DALL-E. You can go and search for Bing Chat. Okay, so Microsoft in their Edge browser, they have this Bing chat, and if you go and open Bing chat, so DALL-E is automatically like connected to the Bing chat. So whatever you will type here as a prompt and just ask it to create the images using DALL-E, that can be created. So we can go for the more creative one. So now let me pass some text prompts like let's see first of all it is working or not. Okay, so it's up and running. So now let me create. Can you can you create a tiger with a flower on his head using DALL-E 3? Wing OpenAI DALL-E 3 model. So let's see what response do we get for this prompt. Okay, first of all, it is printing some text. Sure, I can create as a graph. Tiger art, whatever. But let's wait for the chat to give us some images also. Okay, so it is showing that your image is generating. All right, so you see that these are the images that are created for the prompt that we had passed. And if you want to download these images, you can directly download. Just click on it and you get option to share it, save it, download it, customize it, whatever. You can directly download it for free. So like you can use this as many number of times, but if you like go on running it again and again, the chat will get slower. But that is fine. I think you can try it here. So we can try with more prompts. So let us try. Can you show? Can you give me images of a dinosaur who is dancing with a musician using OpenAI DALL-E 3. So these are just random prompts that I'm giving it, and let's see what does it generate this time. This is a little complex one, so I just wanted to test out how what kind of image would it generate. But you see the quality of the image. These are like extremely good, right? Never would have we thought that this kind of images can be generated using AI. But this is a reality now, and OpenAI has done it. All right, so see the images that are created. This is the image. This is the image. Great, great, great. This is too good, man. This kind of images, I mean, nobody could have thought that just by giving such prompt, you would be able to create this type of image. And this is like mind blowing. I am really, really amazed by the capabilities of DALL-E 3. Like DALL-E 2 was also good, but DALL-E 3 is definitely one step ahead than DALL-E 3. And I am excited to see what they bring in future because this is going to be amazing. So let's try a prompt at last. Can you give me images of a node guy coding day in coding full day using DALL-E 3? So this is the last prompt that I would like to try. I will like you can try it on your Bing chat and see the capabilities of DALL-E on your own. And also let me know if you are able to use DALL-E in some other way in the comment section below. And just look at these images, man. This is so great. So cool images. I mean, excellent, excellent. This is amazing. I'm amazed. This is like next level thing. I will also keep some images as a memory. So see you next time, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and got to learn something new on Tally. Bye bye.